Hey explorers, here at Clayton's Exploration Station, we love when food and science intersect, just like in our Crystal Sugar Sticks episode. Now, we've got an experiment today that's not just tasty, it's super cool. We're doing the ice cream in a bag experiment. Today, we'll be using chemistry, freezing, solutions, phases of matter, and freezing point depression to make a tasty treat. The key to making ice cream is to get it super cold, super fast. Without lugging around an expensive machine, we've got a method that can be easily done with just a few simple ingredients. Just like how we used freezing point depression in our Supercool fast freeze water experiment, yes! We can add ice to salt to make ice cream without taking up any room in the freezer. First, let's grab all of our materials. I'm back with all our materials, which are sugar, heavy cream, vanilla extract, ice, salt, a thermometer, which is optional, but I'm going to be using it to observe our temperature inside of our small baggie and our much larger baggie, plus all of the measuring cups and spoons we'll need. We'll get our small baggie ready and we're going to get all of our ice cream ingredients into this bag. So we'll start with 1/4 cup of sugar. Then we're going to need 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract because today we're making vanilla ice cream. Last ingredient for our ice cream is 1 cup of heavy cream. And we'll mix it around a little bit. Then we'll seal it up and make sure it's very well sealed at the top so it doesn't leak while we're doing the rest of the experiment. I'm going to open up the baggie a little bit and let out most of the air. That way, when we're cooling it, it can focus on the ice cream instead. Our ice cream bag is ready to go. Now what we need to do is make it super cool. What we're going to do is put it into a much larger baggie with a super cooling solution. To do that, we're going to add 2 cups of ice and 3/4 cup of salt in order to make that solution. There's our ice. Now we need 3/4 cup of salt. Disperse that through our ice, and that is going to start super cooling right away. The salt will allow the water to get much colder much faster because while water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius, salt water freezes at a much lower temperature. Now, what we need to do is add our ice cream bag into our bag with the super cool solution in it. Then leave a little bit of air in that larger bag and start rocking it around back and forth. Try to surround your ice cream bag with ice. That way it's all evenly dispersed. Gently rock the bag from side to side for 15 minutes. Keep it upright or hold it by the seal so you don't have any spills, and you should keep a towel between yourself and the bag of ice. That way you don't hurt your hands. Remember, this is going to be super cool. Now we just rock it back and forth for 15 minutes. Ice has to absorb energy or heat in order to melt, changing its state of matter from a solid to a liquid. When you have a bag of ice like this, it's pulling heat from all around it, not just the ice cream bag, which means because it has such a low temperature, it can hurt your hands. This is why we have the towel. This is because of the freezing point depression caused by adding salt to the water, which means it needs even more energy or heat to melt. The good news is that it's also pulling energy and heat from the ice cream bag, which means it's slowly turning all of our ingredients into a frozen treat. As curious humans, we really love to observe our experiments. So we're going to open up our large baggie and use our thermometer to record the temperature of the ice inside. Woo, I can tell you right now that's pretty cold. Yep, no surprise here. It got very cold very, very fast. We've only been rocking it back and forth for a few minutes, and this is racing right past minus 15 degrees Celsius. It's been 15 minutes of rocking our bag, so our next step is just to open up our large baggie, pull out our small one, which is very clearly solidified into some ice cream. It's gonna dry it off a little bit here, and we seal that large bag back up so that doesn't spill while we're doing the rest. Then open it up. Oh, it's ice cream. So now we've got a nice, delicious looking bowl of ice cream to try. I always love mine with some nice fresh fruit like raspberries. Walter's a big fan of caramel sauce, or we've also got a healthy helping of sprinkles for special occasions. To make sure you don't miss other fun at-home kitchen science like this, subscribe to Clayton's Exploration Station on YouTube and social media. You can also reach out via TikTok and Instagram in case you've got some fun experiments for us to try. Now you stay frosty out there, explorers. That was good.
Clayton's Exploration Station.